Hello everyone, today I am going to deliver in the pet cultural comparison among three distinct and incredibly fascinating countries: Sudan, United States, and Colombia. This comparative analysis will focus on essential cultural aspects such as family dynamic, educational system, social, customs, religious influencer, gender, roles, and communication styles. Furthermore, as part of this assignment, I will make use of advanced intensifiers to enhance the precision and richness of my language. I will avoid using the word very and instead of for alternative like intrinsically, deeply, exceptionality, and remarkably. Let us begin with Sudan, a nation located in northeastern Africa whose culture is profoundly shaped by its Islamic heritage and traditional values. Religious is, in this context is not merely a spiritual guide, but an exceptionally powerful force that influenced every aspect of social, personal, and even political life. Daily activity, dress, codes, interpersonal relationship, and even education content are deeply influenced by religious doctrine. Sudani families are immensely united and tend to follow a highly collective model. There is a tremendous emphasis on community life in respect for elders is considered strictly sacred. It is also exceedingly common for multiple generations to live under the same roof, creating a sport network that is both practical and emotional. Regarding gender roles, Sudan tends to be highly conservative, with strictly defined expectations for men for women. Traditional clothing is exceptionally modest, particularly for women, who typically wear the tuff and garment that is both culturally significant and aesthetically grateful. This reflects a broader social expectation for public decorum and alignment with religious values. United States present a atractively different cultural landscape. A society is extremely individualistic, goal-oriented, and technologically advanced. People are encouraged for a young age to be independent, pursue personal goals, and express themselves freely. The diversity with the country is exhilarating. astounding with hundreds of existing languages and traditional coexisting with the same national borders. In terms of education, the American system promotes critical thinking, creative problem solving, and active participation. Students are often provided with a remarkable amount of autonomy, and the role of the teacher is more that of a facilitator than an authoritative figure. This is considerably different from the more traditional teach centers approach seen in about Sudan and Colombia. When it comes to family life, American families are usually nuclear, and it is extremely common for young adults to leave homes at the age of 18 to pursue college. The worst opportunities. Moving on to Colombia, my young countries, I can confidently say that our culture is extraordinarily vibrant, emotionality expressing and deeply rooted in family and community. Families are generally strongly interconnected, and it is incredibly common for adult children to remain a young anti-marriage of fascination independent. Religion, particularly Catholicism, still holds a notably influential role in cultural tradition and social events, although it doesn't govern everyday behavior to during state see in Sudan. Religious festivals and holidays such as Semana Santa are enthusiastically celebrated, and church attendance remains remarkably common, especially in rural areas. Education in Colombia is heavily structured, and students tend to rely extensively on the teacher as the center authority in the classroom. In the US, independent word and open debate are led frequently, emphasizing although this has been changing gradually with educational reform. Columbia clothing tend to be casual and colorful, especially in the coastal and tropical region, and is often in reflection of personality, regional identity, and climate. Our communication style is both direct and animating, and physical tasks such as hugs and kisses on the cheek is extremely common as a form of greeting. In conclusion, while Sudan, United States, and Colombia are all distinctly unique, each culture offers valuable insight into how society organizes themselves, express their identity, and transmitting their values across generations. Sudan is profoundly traditional, religious, structures, and community oriented. The United States is intensely individualistic culture, diverse and innovation driven. Colombia is richly expressing family centered and deeply celebratory eating customs. This comparative analysis has allowed me to reflect not only on cultural diversity but also on the importance of intercultural competence in the field of language education. As future English teachers, you must be highly aware of cultural difference and extraordinarily sensitive to the values and worldview of our students. I truly hope this presentation has been insightful, stimulating, and academically enriching.